Hey, what's up guys? Stephanie here from Two Girls One Cut, and this is part one of how to create a border or a shadow around your text. In part two, we will take a look at how to take that text and use it to create a knockout. Alright guys, if you head to the description of this video, you'll find a link to the Two Girls One Cut reference document. This is a live document that is constantly growing, so you will see more things occurring here in the table of contents. If you're not seeing this in the document, just hit view and then you can hit show document outline. Today we are going to be under applications and programs using Inkscape. So go ahead and click on that and it'll fast track you down to the bottom where you can click on a link to open up the Inkscape tutorial document. This first video is going to be taking a look at using Inkscape to make border text, so you can bookmark all of these and refer back to them later. Alright, so let's just go ahead and follow the instructions for how to make a shadow or a border around your text. Inside of Inkscape, you're going to select the text tool and create a text box. Then type your text in. You're going to select your text and then choose this font selection box up top and type in the font that you want to use. From here, you're going to go ahead and click the arrow option, which is going to select your text. Now we need to make this an object so it'll work in design space. Choose the path option and then object to path. Now we're actually going to use the object. Let me zoom in a little bit. We're going to use the object pathway and choose the ungroup. Here, this is going to allow you to use any of these text pieces as an individual object, so you can select just one and then move it around if you need to using your arrow keys. We're going to go ahead and select all of them and kind of weld them back together. So under path, we're going to use the union option. Now we're ready to make our shadow. What you want to do is, with this selected here, choose path, and then we are going to choose the linked offset option. To make the shadow have a different color background and stand out, we're just going to go ahead and come down here to the color options and choose a different color. You'll see a diamond is created at the top of your highest text object. So we're going to go ahead and hold shift, grab that diamond and drag up. And now you'll see we have our shadow here. You can use that to adjust to whatever size shadow you like. If you don't want these little holes in your shadow, like if you're going to be cutting vinyl, I really don't like the holes there. What we're going to do is, with that shadow still selected, we're going to go to path. And then from path, you're going to use break apart. And then just choose union and you'll see that those gaps are filled in. Alright, so that is how you are going to make your shadow. Make sure you hit File, Save. It's going to save as an SVG file that you can upload into Cricut Design Space. And if you want to continue on with the tutorial, use part 2 to make this into a knockout. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Liking and subscribing really helps out the channel so that we can continue to bring these free tutorials to you.